Health benefits of tomatoes, how to consume, and recipes. Part 2. 12. Tomatoes lower the risk of gallstones. According to a study from Michigan State University, eating tomatoes can lower your chances of developing kidney and gallstones. 38. Add canned or stewed tomatoes to your soups and stews as one method to include tomatoes in your diet to prevent gallstones. As a garnish for salads, pork, or eggs, you can also prepare fresh salsa and include tomatoes. 13. Bones are bolstered by tomatoes. 2 glasses of tomato juice a day will help to strengthen your bones and stave off osteoporosis, according to the Daily Telegraph. However, the study that produced the conclusion was not conducted on a wide scale, which is why additional investigation in this area is needed. Nevertheless, the prospects are promising. Tomatoes are high in beta-carotene, as has already been mentioned. When consumed, this nutrient transforms into vitamin A, which is needed for bone regrowth and maintenance. 39. Additionally, essential for the creation of connective tissue and bone growth is the vitamin C found in tomatoes. Vitamin C deficiency might result in undeveloped bones. Additionally, postmenopausal women have been shown to have less bone loss because to the vitamin. 40. Even the lutein found in tomatoes encourages the production of collagen, which improves bone health. Vitamin K, along with vitamin D, is essential for the metabolism of bones and is abundant in tomatoes. Additionally, it raises bone mineral density, which lowers the risk of fractures. 14. Tomatoes boost your immunity. In one study, test subjects who ate a diet high in tomatoes had better functioning white blood cells. Free radical damage to the white blood cells, which are known for combating infections, was reduced by 38%. Experts believe that the antioxidant properties of tomato lycopene may help the white blood cells' ability to do this. A German study suggests that adding tomatoes to a low-carotenoid diet may improve immunological function. 41. 15. Tomatoes help to fight inflammation. Zeta-carotene, phytofluene, and phytoene, 3 additional antioxidants found in most brilliantly colored fruits and vegetables, are also present in tomatoes. These antioxidants aid in the battle against inflammatory disorders like cancer and rheumatoid arthritis. There's a catch, though. We had already seen that tomato processing or heating increases the bioavailability of lycopene. These other important antioxidants are also lost throughout the process. The ideal strategy is to regularly consume both cooked/processed and raw tomatoes, rather than just one type. Consuming tomato juice has similar anti-inflammatory benefits. An Italian study discovered that lycopene has anti-inflammatory properties. 42. More study is needed in this area, though. According to a research by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, tomatoes, particularly tomato powder, also contain apolycopenoids and other bioactive substances that are far more potent than lycopene at reducing inflammation. 43. Tomatoes are one of the top foods for reducing inflammation, according to Harvard Medical School, and should be a staple in everyone's diet. 44. Adding cherry tomatoes can also be beneficial. A serving has just 27 calories. They are abundant in anti-inflammatory flavonols. You may simply roast some whole cherry tomatoes with some crushed garlic. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes also contain vitamin C, which reduces inflammation. 45. 15. Tobacco improves men's health. According to research, lycopene from tomatoes can increase male fertility by up to 70%. 46. The antioxidant can help lessen the quantity of sperm that are not typical. Not only that, but it also enhances sperm motility and lessens sperm damage. A Boston study found that eating 2 to 4 portions of tomato sauce each week reduced the incidence of both early-stage and advanced prostate cancer by 35% and 50%, respectively. 47. One study indicated that males who consumed the most lycopene in their diets had a 59% lower chance of having an ischemic stroke, the most frequent type of stroke, 48. 17. Tomatoes boost cognitive function. The high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids in your brain makes it particularly susceptible to harm from free radicals. Due to their high lycopene, beta-carotene, and antioxidant content, tomatoes can aid in preventing this. In fact, tomatoes may work better when combined with olive oil. This is because tomato carotenoids are easily absorbed by the blood when they are incorporated in fat, olive oil. Additionally, the lycopene in tomatoes protects against serious conditions including dementia and Alzheimer's, 49. In accordance with a Western Governors University article, tomatoes improve focus and cognitive performance, 50. A short tip: use fresh tomatoes while they are in season to benefit from lycopene and other crucial elements. When not in, also, and when it's not, choose lycopene pills instead of eating off-season tomatoes, which look pale and have little flavor, 51. 18. Tomatoes help the liver. Promote liver health. Tomatoes, sliced, raw. 1 cup, 180.00 grams. Nutrient value DRI/DV. Biotin 24%. Molybdenum 20%. Vitamin K 7.9, G 16%. Potassium 237 mg, 12%. Copper 12%. Manganese 0.15 mg, 11%. Fiber 9%. Vitamin A 833 IU 8%. Vitamin B6 8%. Vitamin B3 7%. Folate 15 G 7%. Phosphorus 24 mg 6%. Vitamin B 16%. Vitamin E 0.54 mg 6%. Magnesium 11 mg 5%. Chromium 4%. Iron 0.3 mg 3%. Zinc 0.17 mg 3%. Choline 3%. Pantothenic acid 3%. Lycopene, an antioxidant found in tomatoes, scavenges the DNA-damaging chemicals, enhancing liver health. Additionally, many B-complex vitamins that support liver health can be found in tomatoes. And here's a wonderful fact: the only organ in the human body capable of spontaneous regeneration is the liver. If minimal injury occurs, it can repair missing tissue, and up to 25% of the organ can turn into a whole liver, 52. As we've seen, tomatoes support liver detoxification and liver protection. One study found a connection between greater tomato consumption and a reduced risk of liver cancer, 53. Additionally, it was discovered that tomato extract can offer defense against liver inflammation brought on by a high-fat diet. Another Californian study discovered that liver cancer cells can't grow when exposed to green tomato extracts that contain tomatine, a poisonous compound found in tomato plants' stems and leaves, 54. Green tomatoes are also high in vitamin K and B-complex vitamins, which have similar advantages to their red counterparts. Additionally linked to reducing alcoholic liver disease is the tomato compound lycopene, 55. I would have made tomatoes my favorite food when I was a child if I had understood how many fantastic benefits they provide.